Okay, so in this video clip, we're going to take again the Python code for Black-Scholes Greeks. And again, the code is coming from the Davis Edwards. I've left the link, and it's based on the approach adopted by Espen Hogue of a generalized Black-Scholes model. But in this instance, we're going to implement this in Spyder. So we'll use the Anaconda platform, then go into Spyder and output our code. Now, if you copy what we have here, and again, I'm following quite closely the code made available by Davis Edwards. If we copy this and then go into Anaconda, so we better take a look at Anaconda for a second. And it's not appearing. Yes, it is. So we'll take a look at Anaconda and then Navigator, and then we launch, and that can take a second. So I might just pause. And I've got into Anaconda. So I want to go into File, New, Script, and I just paste the code in. And if we run, if we take the code as is, it'll execute fine. So we run, we don't need to save, or we need to save, but we don't need to observe too closely where we put it, because I'll set it up later. But it runs, of course, but we don't appear to get any output. Now, to get output here for the Greeks, and we've taken the what we should get in terms of output is the value of the option. So if it's a call, the value to call, time value to call, the Black-Scholes time value, the delta, the gamma, theta, vega, and rho, or alternatively for the put option. But no output. To get the output, just simply we could set the Merton C, just set up our function that includes a dividend yield here, and then we can print that C. So if I run again, if we execute that code again, and we had set out, now this time C is equal to the function, and then print C, you can see here we get values for the time value of the option. So we have 1045 for the time value. Delta is equal to 0.63. The gamma is equal to 0.018. The theta is negative 6.41. Vega 37.52. And the rho is equal to 53.23. For the parameter values that we selected of the stock price being 100, the exercise equal to 100, the time 1 year, risk-free rate 5%, dividend equal to 0, and volatility equal to 20%. Now we could also, if we went to Variable Explorer, we can observe we get those values here as well. Okay, so that's something that may be of interest when presenting this information maybe a little bit more clearly, right? So we have our delta, gamma, time value option, delta, gamma, theta, I think it's vega and rho. Okay,